All right, let us quickly solve this Olympiad mass problem. All right, this one is very simple. So we can make all of them to be in terms of x, or you make all of them to be in terms of x minus 1. I can make all of them to be in terms of x plus 1. So anyone that you want is very okay. So let us start with the first one. Let's make it to be in terms of x. So this is 3 raised to power, or let's make it in terms to be x minus 1. So 3 raised to power x, this can be minus 1 plus 1. Okay, plus 3 raised to power x. 1 is something as saying minus 2 plus 1, right? Or plus 2 minus 1, sorry. Or let me say minus 1 that I'm looking for, then plus 2. Minus 1 plus 2 is still giving me 1, so I did not change anything. Then plus 3 raised to power s minus 1 is equal to 39. Now, this is something as according to indices, this can be written as 3 raised to power 1, that is this one, dot 3 raised to power x minus 1. Okay? Plus, this one can be written as 3 raised to power 2, then dot 3 raised to power x minus 1. Then plus 3 raised to power x minus 1 is equal to 39. So, what do? We can factorize. So this is 3. Before factorization, this is 3 dot 3 raised to power x minus 1 plus 9 dot 3 raised to power x minus 1, then plus 3 raised to power x minus 1 is equal to 39. Okay, so if I factorize, they have 3 raised to power x minus 1 in common. So this divided by everybody here, 3 is remaining here, plus divide everybody by here, 9 is remaining here, divide by itself, 1 is remaining here. So it's equal to what? 39. So add everything here, I'm having 13. So this is 13 into 3 raised to power x minus 1 is equal to what? 39. So therefore, 3 raised to power x minus 1 is equal to 39 divided by 13. So 3 raised to power x minus 1 is equal to, I think, 3, right? 3. And 3 can be written as 3 raised to power 1. So if the base take care of themselves, I'm having that x minus 1 is equal to 1. So x is equal to 1 plus 1, and then x is equal to 2. So this is a very simple question. Please encourage us by subscribing and liking the video and commenting. Bye bye. God bless you.